open up this machine. Oh, that opened up really easily, this one. Left. Unscrews the right. Then you open up this one. This one's where all the stuff is, all the coins are stored, and take the coins out, put them in this bag. Yeah. And then this is where the dollar bills are stored. There's a door here that opens up. Press that down. Take the dollar bills out. Put them in the bag with the coins. Put them in there, you know. It's above the bag.
Other way.
Oh, other way?
There you go. There you go.
My bad. Okay. There we go. It's
good.
Secure. And press the reset button. Right. Okay. So we're gonna count the sodas now. Feel the bottom. See, there's one at the back too. There's always one at the back. So up here is 4, right? 4 starts around here. 4 starts here, down here. So it goes. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And you do 13 times 2. I'll do this on the pit board. 26, okay. So there's 26 in here, that's how we know. So just do that for the rest of them. It's all the same. Inside every machine now there is a tray, and people usually leave the cord on it so you can pull it. And then there's a tray so that when you take the crate, you can just put it on there. So you put it in the soda, fill the back first. Back row first to make it more convenient for people to count it. That's how you do it. Fill it up. If you run out of space in the back, you put it in the front, of course. We have enough space in the back, so it's not going to be a problem. Yeah, this is where you pull this up. You can't see, just pull that up and then.
That's perfect.
This is where the lemon lime goes. And then the exciences are gonna go in this one. This is a 3-row one. So just put them all level with each other.
3 cans in 1 row.
Yeah, they're small. I know why they're popular, because they're sugar-free. They don't taste very good.
Okay.
So that was the last one. Well, actually, there's 2 exciences in this crate. So
2 loose ones.
2 loose ones, yeah. So this, put it like that, okay. Fill up the Gatorades. No, the Gatorades, the Mountain Dews. Code Red. Do it first. Fill it up in the back. We're running out of room in the back, so we'll just go to the front. And now we're doing the Gatorades, the lemon lime. Not so many left. That's it. Now we'll do the regular green Gatorades. Yeah, and we're doing the back first, and then ran out of room, so we're doing the front. And yeah,
And that's it.
That's it. So yeah, hope you enjoy. That's it. Okay. What? Okay, so now that we're done with filling the machine, I'm gonna close it. And it can be kind of difficult to close because you have to really lean into it, push it forward until it's firm, and then this can be tricky on older machines that are loose, but this one's actually tight, so this is easy. Yeah, and then it's okay. It's done. This is an easy machine to work. Good day. Hey everyone. one, I'm gonna throw away the soft drink cartons now. That way we don't need them anymore, so let's throw them away. Yeah, we're gonna throw all of them away. Good. Thanks. Okay. See you later. Bye.